Hold on to your MAGA hats, folks, because the Donald has gone full crypto bro. In a move that has left both his supporters and critics in a state of shock, Donald Trump has entered the world of cryptocurrency with a bang. On January 17, 2025, Trump launched his very own meme coin, Dollar Trump. The announcement was made with typical Trump flair, complete with a grand event at Mar-a-Lago and a social media blitz. And just like his Twitter feed, it blew up immediately. Within hours, social media platforms were flooded with posts about Dollar Trump, and the hashtag #TrumpCoin was trending worldwide. Within a day, the trading volume hit a staggering $6.64 billion. Financial analysts were left scrambling to make sense of the sudden surge, with some calling it unprecedented in the world of digital currencies. The price? It went on a wild ride, soaring over 300% to almost $29. Investors who got in early saw massive returns, while others were left wondering if they had missed the boat. Is this the future of finance or just another Trump grift? Opinions are sharply divided. Some see it as a revolutionary step towards mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies, while others view it as a risky gamble. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Dollar Trump. From its meteoric rise to the controversy surrounding it, there's a lot to unpack. What does this mean for the future of digital currencies and the financial market as a whole? The launch of Dollar Trump has sent shockwaves through both the financial and political landscapes. Lawmakers are already debating the implications, and regulatory bodies are keeping a close eye on the situation. Supporters are calling it a revolution, a chance to get in on the ground floor of the Trump economy. They believe that Dollar Trump could pave the way for a new era of financial freedom and prosperity. Critics, however, are sounding the alarm, calling it a blatant cash grab designed to exploit Trump's loyal base. They warn that the coin could be highly volatile and that investors should proceed with caution. One thing's for sure, Dollar Trump is making a lot of noise. Whether it's a genuine financial innovation or just another headline-grabbing stunt, it's got everyone talking. But is it here to stay? Only time will tell if Dollar Trump will become a staple in the world of cryptocurrencies or fade away as just another fleeting trend. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the impact and future of Dollar Trump. To understand Dollar Trump, you gotta understand meme coins. These digital currencies are like the internet's inside jokes, fueled by online hype and often lacking any real-world value. Think Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu-themed coin that started as a joke and somehow became worth billions. Dollar Trump fits this mold perfectly. It's built on the back of Trump's larger-than-life personality and his devoted online following. Like a tweet about Sleepy Joe or fake news, Dollar Trump is designed to grab attention and tap into the emotions of his supporters. But just like those tweets, there's a good chance the value of Dollar Trump is based more on fleeting hype than on any underlying substance. Making money great again? That's the question on everyone's mind when it comes to Dollar Trump, the new cryptocurrency that's making waves. The website for Dollar Trump says it's not an investment. It emphasizes that this coin isn't meant to be a financial asset in the traditional sense. Instead, it positions itself as something entirely different. It also says it's not political. Despite the name and the obvious associations, the creators insist that Dollar Trump is not about politics. So, if it's not an investment and it's not political, what exactly is it? So, what is it actually for? Good question. The answer seems to be a bit elusive. The coin is being pitched as a way for Trump fans to show their support in a new digital way. Think of it like a digital MAGA hat, but instead of making your head sweat, it might just evaporate into thin air. It's a symbol, a token of allegiance, but in the digital realm. Of course, there's also the small matter of potential profit. While the creators downplay the investment angle, the allure of making money is hard to ignore. The people behind Dollar Trump are hoping to cash in on the same speculative frenzy that's driven other meme coins to astronomical heights. They see an opportunity to ride the wave of hype and speculation that has characterized the cryptocurrency market. Whether that happens remains to be seen. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and what goes up can just as easily come crashing down. But one thing is clear. When it comes to Dollar Trump, making money seems to be the main objective. For some, it's a chance to support a cause they believe in. For others, it's a speculative gamble. In the end, Dollar Trump is a blend of political fandom and financial speculation. Whether it will succeed in either realm is a question only time will answer. But for now, it has certainly captured the attention of many. Let's talk numbers, shall we? Dollar Trump launched with 200 million coins, but get this, they're planning to pump out another 800 million over the next 3 years. That's $1 billion Trump coins floating around. And who's holding the lion's share of the initial offering? 2 Trump-linked companies, CIC Digital and Fight LLC. These companies, by the way, get a cut of every single dollar Trump trade. So, the more people buy and sell this digital funny money, the more real money ends up in Trump's pockets. Now, whether that's legal or ethical is a whole other story. Section 5, from skeptic to believer, Trump's crypto conversion. Remember when Trump said Bitcoin was probably a scam? Yeah, those were the days. Now he's singing a different tune. He's calling himself a big believer in crypto and promising to make America the crypto capital of the planet if he's re-elected. This sudden change of heart is about as subtle as a Trump rally. But hey, if there's money to be made, why not jump on the bandwagon, especially when your sons are already knee-deep in crypto ventures? Section 6, Crypto under Trump, 2.0 boom or bust. Trump's election win sent shockwaves through the crypto world. Bitcoin's price skyrocketed, blasting past $100,000. The entire crypto market gained a whopping $1.8 trillion in value in 2024. Coincidence? Maybe. But Trump's promises to slash regulations and create a more crypto-friendly environment certainly didn't hurt. Now, with his own meme coin in the game, Trump has skin in the crypto game. Will his policies actually boost the industry, or will it all come crashing down? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, it's gonna be a wild ride. Section 7, Trump's merch machine from stakes to Dollar Trump. Dollar Trump isn't just a meme coin, it's part of a larger strategy, a way to monetize the Trump brand. Over the years, Donald Trump has shown an uncanny ability to turn almost anything into a business opportunity. From real estate mogul to reality TV star, his ventures have always been about capitalizing on his larger-than-life persona. We're talking about a man who slapped his name on everything from steaks to bottled water. Trump steaks, for instance, were marketed as the world's greatest steaks and sold through outlets like the Sharper Image. And who could forget Trump Ice, his very own brand of bottled water? And let's not forget those President Donald J. Trump first edition silver coins selling for a cool $100 a pop. These coins became collector's items almost instantly, appealing to both Trump supporters and numismatists alike. This time, it's digital tokens and NFTs. In the age of cryptocurrency and blockchain, Trump has found yet another avenue to extend his brand. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have become the latest craze, and Trump has jumped on the bandwagon with his own series of digital collectibles, and people are buying it up. Literally. The demand for these digital assets has been staggering, with fans and investors alike eager to get their hands on a piece of the Trump legacy. Trump's merchandise empire, especially his NFTs, have raked in millions. The success of these ventures speaks volumes about his ability to adapt to new market trends and capitalize on them effectively. Dollar Trump is just the latest product on the shelf, and whether you think it's genius or grift, you gotta admire the hustle. The Trump brand continues to evolve, finding new ways to stay relevant and profitable in an ever-changing world. Section 8, Doubts and Concerns. Is Dollar Trump a house of cards? Not everyone's sold on Dollar Trump. Critics are calling it a pump-and-dump scheme where early investors cash out, leaving everyone else holding the bag. There are concerns about regulation, security, and whether the coin has any actual value beyond the hype. And let's not forget the irony of a man who built his career on questioning the legitimacy of elections, now launching a currency that relies entirely on trust and decentralization. The whole thing feels a bit off. Section 9. The Dollar Trump faithful, who's buying in? Despite the risks and skepticism, Dollar Trump has its believers. Trump allies and online influencers are pumping the coin, urging their followers to get in early and ride the wave. For some, it's about making a quick buck. For others, it's about loyalty, about sticking it to the libs and supporting their guy. Whether this blind faith will pay off is anyone's guess. But one thing's for sure, Dollar Trump has tapped into something powerful, a potent mix of fandom, speculation, and political tribalism.